Well, hey Yardners, it's Destry. Welcome back to my Oregon yard. Today's video is going to be about adding lighting to your indoor spaces to help out your houseplants this winter. I don't know about you, but if you've got a houseplant collection or maybe just a couple plants, you might be wondering to yourself, are these plants getting enough light? The chances are they're not. So let's talk about some ways we can supplement the lighting for our houseplants. So supplementing lighting for your indoor plants is really important, especially in these darker winter months. Now, our plants are used to having light, and putting them by a sunny window is awesome, but it is really easy to grow your houseplant collection as long as you add some lighting. So I think the solution I'm going to show you today is one that's pretty quick and easy to install and can really benefit your houseplants. So there are all different kinds of lights that you can purchase for your houseplants. Some of them include track lighting. You can actually just replace some of your normal light bulbs with full spectrum grow bulbs. So if you have a floor lamp or even ceiling lighting, just replacing the bulbs can help a lot. But today, my husband and I are installing 3 grow lights in our family room, in our living room, to help out our houseplants. So these grow lights are new to me. I've been seeing some ads for some grow lights that, let's face it, they're really expensive. So I went online on Amazon just to see if I could find something similar, but at a less cost. And I was able to find these grow lights, and I will link them in the description for you. And today I'm going to show you the installation process, how this project all turned out, and talk about my results as far as having these lights installed. So just a couple things about this process. I filmed my husband, who is a really good helper. He was helping me install these lights, and he is going to kind of take us through the process. I'll show you the box of lights, what it looks like when you open it up. And I will tell you that, this is the first time I've tried these lights, but I will tell you I've been really impressed with what they've done so far. So these are the lights that I was able to grab from Amazon. So let me just show you kind of what they look like here when you get them. And this is a more inexpensive version of some that I saw from another company that were very expensive. So these ones were right around $70 each. And these two, this will be my second and third one of these that we're installing today. So they come wrapped in this bubble wrap. Oh, I thought I got the white ones. Darn. Oops. I thought I was getting white ones, but oh well. I guess we're gonna have black ones.
Why don't we hang the 2 black ones in that room and the white one in this room?
Say that again.
Why don't we hang the 2 black ones, assuming this one's going to be black too,
Yeah.
in that room so they match, and
Yeah.
then we'll hang the white one in this room.
Okay, yeah, I think that's a good idea. Shoot, I thought I got the white ones to match the ceiling, but let's see what the other one is. Is the other one black
These
too?
look good. They'll match our. These will look good. They'll match our cabinets.
Yeah,
in there.
that's true. Corey says they'll match the cabinets.
Their own hardware, and it's to secure the lines, to secure the cords to the walls and the ceilings and whatnot. But that hook works pretty well. And we had a cabinet to help with the other one to kind of secure it to the wall. Mm-hmm. I might have to use these more, but they come with smaller drywall mechanisms that I never do like to.
Okay.
I don't have a lot of confidence in these, so I bought my own.
All right, we're gonna go try to get this one installed, and then yeah, darn it, the other one is white. So here's the other one that we installed about a week ago, and I've been so happy with it. So let me kind of hop up here and show you. So the wire just comes down, and then Corey zip tied it to a little hook there, and then the cord comes all the way down, and then this is the timer. So then each light has a timer like this, and so you can set it for 3 hours, 6 hours, or 9 hours. And it's so great because it just comes on in the morning. So when I come out here, my Christmas cactus is all lit up, and I will tell you, it has made a huge difference. So all of these branches here that are like facing up, all of that was just laying over, and the whole Christmas cactus has started to like lift up. It's just amazing. I also have this Swiss cheese Monstera up here that's looking so much better and happier. And then, these three plants here are getting a lot of ambient light from that light as well. Now it does just point straight down, as you can see, but it really just lights up this whole corner, and all of these plants just seem like they're doing so much better. This one here has, again, it's just raised up quite a bit, and like it's just making a huge difference. So anyway, let's go ahead and install the other one. So this is how they come. And again, I accidentally ordered two black ones, but you can see the cord is really nice. It's kind of coated with this like fabric-y kind of material, and it's all in bubble wrap and encased. And then I just wanted to show you this. So this is the information that comes with it that talks about how far basically the coverage area is. And so this says a 4 by 4 foot. And then it talks about like the different, light spectrums that it has. So this one says it's a full spectrum. The lifespan is, over 50,000 hours, suitable for in-year, has a 1-year warranty. So yeah, I've been really happy with these. So I guess that might be the brand there, but I'll drop it in the description of the video exactly which lamp this is. But I think for the price and the fact that, again, it has the timer and everything, I think it's really worth it if you are wanting to, provide more light for your houseplants. This is the way to go. Okay, show me, what's the hook you're using?
So, don't say so and don't say
Yeah.
There's a hook. We got it, the hardware store. It's a drywall hook. It's a 360-degree swivel.
Elephant hook, it says.
Elephant hook. It was hard for me to find where the joists were, so I ended up getting these to go into the drywall. They're not heavy lights. These say they'll hold 50 pounds. Sorry, 25 pounds, and they're well within the 25-pound range.
Okay.
If you're not familiar with drywall hardware, it's a little plastic thing. You pre-drill a hole, it screws in the hole just like so, and it's in the hole, and then you put the screw in the plastic. The screw goes in the plastic, and these things will spread on the other side of the drywall. So you not only get these screwed into the drywall, you get the on the other side of the drywall, they kind of open up and butterfly, so they hold the drywall. So it goes in just like so, and you can see some drywall cracking, but that's normal. Screws in flush. That way you have a hole for the screw. Screw goes in that. All the way. And then this, it's a pretty quick process. This opens up. Deal, and there you go. There you go. A 6-degree hook. Now we get to break the lights out.
So this corner where we're installing this new lamp, I mean, it gets a lot of window light here, but I think it'll just be that much better, especially in the winter, you guys, because again, this is kind of peak daylight here, and you can see there's not a lot. I mean, it's pretty overcast, it is winter, and so providing some extra light for these houseplants, I think is just gonna really help them to thrive over in this area.
So this is the hardware that came with the unit. I didn't use it over there because I already had an eye bolt and a cabinet to kind of hide the cord. But this cord is gonna go plug in right down here. So this is the hardware that came with the unit. So I did install those in the walls. They actually allow you to put the cord in to adjust the height of the lamp. So you let cord out, the lamp comes down. You know, if you want it to focus more light on something, then you can let it down. But You know, we want ours up by the ceiling, but this secures the cord to the ceiling and the wall. That way, you know, if something pulls on this, it's not pulling on the light. If something pulls on the light, it's not pulling on the outlet.
Timer.
Which one?
So you just click on, and then you go 1. Yeah, that's the max amount of timer. So then that's it. Then the timer's on.
Cool. And so is the light.
And so is the light. There it is.
Now we can move our plants back.
Now we can move all the.
And Mom can
You're a good sport.
turn that.
You're a good sport working around all these plants, Corey.
It's kind of the point, I think.
Working around the plants. I might move my little wood stove, my little fake wood stove over because it seems like that's where the light's hitting the best, and maybe put some plants right there.
And it needs cleaned off.
Yeah, I'm going to have to clean it off because there's drywall on it. But yeah, I think this is going to be really good. I think these plants are going to be really happy over here. So we have one more light to install. So we're going to go do that one next. So now we're switching out this side for the black, since I have 2 black and only 1 white. So there's only going to be 1 in the other room. So we decided we better switch them out. So Corey's putting a little zip tie. Yep. All right, well, I adjusted my plant situation over here. So I moved my little fireplace over, and again, I only have that in this room in the wintertime because this room gets really chilly, and I just think it's really a nice ambiance. But anyway, so I put the Monstera right underneath that spotlight, so they'll get nice light. I've got my humidifier going. This area is a nice little microclimate over here for these guys, so I think their plants are really going to like that lighting. And then over on this side, we switched out the white one for the black one, just so that they would match, and you know, it's in the same place. They're lighting up this corner of plants. And then our last light, we're gonna just put the white one over here since it's a one-off and we only have the 1 white one. So Corey's gonna attach it to the wall like the other one. And in this corner, and in this corner, I've got my fiddly fig and a plant in a like a macrame plant holder. But then down here I have, you know, a couple more house plants too. So this is the other area I thought really needed some light and to kind of light it up over here. Nothing like waking up on a Saturday morning and having projects for your guy. All right, so here's this corner all done. We've got the light there shining down. And I readjusted all the plants here so they can kind of get the maximum benefit from this lighting. I've got everything kind of stacked over here in the corner on some different, you know, risers. I've got this little stool here. And yeah, I think these plants are going to really like having this, you know, lighting. It's really going to help them to thrive this winter. And then I just scooted the little table over there with my lanterns on it. So really lit up this corner. I'm really happy with how this is turning out. It looks great. So since filming this footage, I have had these lights up now for about 2 weeks. And I have to say, I am thrilled with the results. My houseplants that are, you know, being lit are healthier, they're growing. I've noticed quite a bit of lifting up of the branches and, you know, going towards these lights. And so I really think that my houseplant collection is going to benefit from having this extra lighting. And I have to say, the other reason I'm really enjoying having these lights, you guys, is for me personally. I mean, we are human, right? It's dark in the wintertime. And if you're anything like me, I struggle sometimes here in the Pacific Northwest with, you know, getting a little down and blue in the winter just because there's not that vitamin D. I don't have as many opportunities to get outside and soak in the sunshine. So even having these grow lights, I was joking with my husband that they're not just for my plants, but they're kind of for me too. I have noticed myself feeling more uplifted, feeling like my space is brighter and lighter, and just feeling a little bit more cheery in the doldrums of winter. Hope you enjoyed checking out this video today and that it gave you some ideas for lighting your space indoors. If you have any questions or comments, please drop them in the link below, and be sure to look through the description of this video. I'll have some playlists and some other videos that you might find helpful listed there for you. So thanks for hanging out in my Oregon yard, you guys. Again, I'm Destry, and if you need me, I'll be doing some gardening. I'll see you next time. Bye.